Being alone doesn't mean the absence of company. Instead, it's the time when your soul is free to connect with the divine, to listen to yourself and decide the course of your life. The world around you may question why you've chosen this solitary path, but remember, solitude is where you find your true self. You're not running from the world, you're diving deep into the core of your existence. It's through this introspection that you undergo a powerful transformation, and when you emerge, you'll shine brighter, ready to inspire others with your newfound light. If you feel isolated during your spiritual journey, know that you haven't done anything wrong. In fact, being alone is crucial at this time because it's in solitude that you encounter the essence of your being. You hear the echo of your deepest desires and the unspoken dreams whispered in your heart. Being alone forces you to explore within yourself, which is the most important journey of all. Everything originates from within, and it's in these moments of solitude that you begin to understand yourself better. When you are alone, you must independently seek solutions to your problems. It can be a painful process as you confront and release past traumas, constantly working to shift your thought patterns. You have a vision for your future, and the universe has witnessed your deep desire for it. That's why you've been guided into isolation, to delve within. Understand that certain experiences are necessary to mold you into the person you've always aspired to be. A new life requires a new environment, a new mindset, new beliefs, and a fresh outlook. Everything has to change, but rest assured, it's all happening to align with your deepest desires. During your spiritual journey, your beliefs hold great significance. Many of the beliefs you've held and the way you've viewed the world may not align with what you truly desire. Society, friends, and family have influenced your thinking. When you're isolated, you become more aware of this influence and can question why you think the way you do. You were never meant to conform. You are a natural leader. Unfortunately, this truth may have been suppressed during your upbringing. But now, standing alone, you can fully embrace it. Isolation gives you the opportunity to change everything, to start anew with a fresh perspective and way of thinking. This transformation is difficult to achieve when you're constantly surrounded by others. It is in solitude that you learn the art of self-love. You come to realize that love truly begins within yourself and radiates outward, touching every aspect of your life. You nurture your soul with kindness and compassion, and as you fill your own cup, you become a vessel of love, overflowing with the ability to uplift and inspire others. Being alone on your spiritual journey empowers you to reclaim and embody your spiritual energy. Many of us have unknowingly given away our energy to toxic individuals who leave us feeling drained and unworthy. They unconsciously sap our life force. However, through isolation, you learn how to reclaim your energy and establish boundaries with those who deplete you, whether they are friends, romantic partners, or even family. Many spiritually inclined people have felt the need to give their energy away to gain acceptance, turning them into people pleasers and empaths, absorbing the emotions of others. But once you reclaim your energy and learn how to maintain it regardless of external circumstances, you become incredibly powerful. In the depths of solitude, you learn to be comfortable in your own skin. You shed the masks and personas you've worn for the world, embracing your true, authentic self. Here, there's no need to conform or seek validation. You are free to express yourself without fear of judgment. In this liberation, you become a beacon of light, inspiring others to embrace their own uniqueness. Walking this solitary path is a sign that you are destined for something greater. Understand that many people may live their entire lives without ever realizing their true spiritual gifts. The pain you endure and the healing you undergo on this journey will be worth it in the end. Some will never attain the depth of wisdom you possess, nor will they experience the present moment fully, or feel the love emanating from the universe as you will. Eventually, you'll experience the profound emotions all humans long for: unconditional love and liberation from pain. Be grateful for the chance to go through this spiritual awakening in this lifetime. As your life is about to become truly extraordinary, you are on the verge of realizing just how close you are to achieving your desires. The universe and the divine are on your side, and they are all you truly need. Though you may lack physical companionship on this journey, you will never feel lonely again. You will discover or have already discovered a special connection that will transform your life. Remember, this spiritual journey deepens your connection with the divine, with God, and with your true self. You'll come to understand that you don't need anyone else to feel complete. You won't seek external sources for the validation or happiness you once craved from others, as love will emanate from within you. You won't need validation from the outside world because you'll validate yourself. All the emotions and feelings you've been seeking will be found within. In solitude, you'll realize the immense power that resides within you. You'll become aware of your role as a creator, as a master of manifestation. All this profound wisdom reveals itself during times of solitude, often during the darkest moments of your life. As you continue on your spiritual journey, remember that being alone is not a path of loneliness, but a pilgrimage of self-discovery and growth. Embrace the transformative power of solitude and honor the divine wisdom that unfolds within the sanctuary of your soul. It is within this sacred space that you will discover the true essence of who you are, the light that guides your way, and the boundless love that dwells within. I'm so glad that you're still here, and your support means the world to me. I would be incredibly grateful if you could share and leave a comment on this content. Thank you for taking the time, and I hope you have an absolutely beautiful day.